Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about increase conversions fast with targeted promotion strategies. Let's get into it. In this video, we're talking about how to quickly increase conversions on Amazon using targeted promotions. This strategy can significantly boost your sales while being more efficient with your discounts. When you're creating promotions, it's important to target the right customer. Not all shoppers should get the same discount, and with targeted promotions, you can segment your audience to give discounts only to those who are most likely to buy. For example, you might offer a promotion to your loyal customers, those who already know your brand and regularly purchase from you. They'll see a discount in their search results, but other shoppers won't. Here's how it works. When you set up a brand-tailored promotion, Amazon shows a green badge on your product listings. The customers you're targeting will see this badge, indicating that they can save a certain percentage, but this only appears to them, not to every shopper. It's an exclusive offer designed to motivate these shoppers to complete their purchase. The difference between a promotion and a coupon is crucial to understand. A promotion shows up in the search results with that green badge, while a coupon appears on the product page itself. Both give shoppers a discount, but the placement and visibility are different. If you really want to maximize your sales, you can stack promotions. This means you can have both a promotion and a coupon running at the same time. When a customer clicks on your product, they could see a discount in the search results, then get another discount when they're on the product page. This stacked approach can be particularly effective for customers who are close to making a purchase but need that extra incentive. Be careful when targeting multiple audience segments, though. If you're running promotions for cart abandoners, top-tier customers, or followers of your brand, you don't want to offer too many discounts to the same person. Some shoppers might qualify for multiple promotions, which can lead to a significant discount that negatively impacts your profits. Always monitor the performance of your promotions and ensure they're properly targeted. Targeted promotions are an excellent way to focus your discounting efforts on the right shoppers, increasing your chances of conversion and maximizing your return on investment. Use these strategies wisely, and you'll see a big boost in your Amazon sales. If this video helped, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more expert insights on how to grow your Amazon business. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.